Hello traders, in this video I would like to summarize the events of this week in our trading room. As you can see, with Alpha Fibonacci system, which is in front of you, absolutely no software required. You can install proprietary Fibonacci tool on any instruments, any time frame, any platform. So please pay attention very carefully as I will walk you step by step. As again, in classes, I show proprietary system going back to 2008. So you can see how system identifies reversals, buy and sell points in advance. So this is a critical key chart for day trading hourly chart. If I bring to your attention the sell-off on September 11th, this is a top. With the power of the system, you identify this far in advance. I'm taking you back to September 8. As we dissect in every single class, price is moving far in advance. If I convert this chart to 5, intelligent trader understands the importance of this. No matter what chart you trade, you understand hours and days in advance. This is where you're expecting selling pressure from. Converting this chart to 15 and taking you straight to September 11th, Monday. Price reaches reversal zone and you knew this hours and days in advance. There's absolutely no surprise, none whatsoever. And when the reversal zone is reached, then software is giving you signal for short, and the price at the bold red zone, this is the only option to short, not to buy the market. Trade played out on multiple other charts. I'm confirming and reversing software to 1. Precision in day trading is a crucial part. This is a critical target. Absolutely no speculation in front of you. You learn in the course precise entry, stop and target. You understand far in advance. This is a place to short from, and this is a place to close your trade and take the profits off the table. Trader who ignores the precision and power of this is in serious trouble, losing money aiming for speculative random points. Market is flawless Alpha Fibonacci chess. And you can view this in thousands of videos on our YouTube channel, and you can witness in the trading room when trading room is open. Course is ongoing. Trading room will reopen on October 3rd. So if you understand the power of this moment on September 11th, you have zero interest in longs and you understand that price moves one step at a time. This is intelligent, strategic chess. This morning when I came with students during live class, this was breathtaking and spectacular. We identified institutional buy point. Entirely different days, September 11th versus September 13th, as institutions defending this key level with vengeance. So when the long trade plays out and you receive long alert, and rules are met, you take long from the bold green zone. So here's the software projected on 1 minute chart. Again, trades played out on multiple other charts, and you're witnessing on this example. This is simplicity, and this is a huge difference in your trading when you're focusing on pure price and you're focusing on the power of institutional buy point. You enter with precise entry, stop and targets. Price reversing from critical key level, you are not surprised, you learn in the course. This is where you exit your long. Short, entirely different. Short comes near green zone, extremely aggressive. You short the top, you short the red zone. That's it. No speculation, no gambling here. Ultimate precision only. All the events, all the details we discuss with students in the live classes. Day trading is not for everyone. You can trade system long-term on all instruments. If instrument has a price, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. So this is key level in front of you right now to the upside. as price reached reversal zone again. How viciously institutions defended this level confirmed critical key institutional longs. This was not a little baby level, this was institutional buy point. And again, you knew this well before market open. Alpha Fibonacci system predictive. Alpha Fibonacci system precise. No software on this chart. This is a system. System came out in 2011. Software for NinjaTrader 8 came out in 2019. What you will decide to trade is absolutely your personal choice. So as I'm meeting with students next in Europe, I'm extremely excited to show you this. Euro selling off. It's such a good news for us Americans when Euro is crashing. Such a good news. Intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse the importance of this event. Identical level where Euro crashed from, as you saw on multiple charts on S&P. And again, if I take you back to when I met with students in Europe last year in September 2022, this is the power of the system that allows you to buy the ultimate bottom. Here is September 1st, 2022. You know, many months in advance. This is historical level on Euro. You look to buy, not to short into. By the end of September, Euro skyrocketing. Alpha Fibonacci traders taking this to the highest advantage ever. As an American, you can buy real estate in Europe while Euro in free fall at historical low. And when you are moving one step at a time, you're absolutely self-aware because you trade Tesla, you trade Amazon, you trade anything you choose. September 2023, Euro selling off. Lower is better. 104 is a lifeline on Euro. 104 is out, Euro in free fall. This is a critical key historical level on Euro, and you know this far in advance. But if Forex and futures are not your cup of tea, your system long-term on stocks, identical level on Tesla, where S&P crashed from is where Tesla sold off from, and you knew this months in advance. Identical level on Apple. So if we see catastrophic crash on Apple, you're extremely well prepared. You are not a gambler, you're not a speculator. No software on these charts whatsoever. You can use this on TradeView, Thinkorswim, Sierra Charts, Interactive Brokers, MT4, MT5, Infinity, any platform you choose. If it has pure price and Fibonacci Retracement tool, apply the rules, apply the system and trade any time frame, any instrument you choose. But if you are a day trader, this is software for NinjaTrader 8 with identical rules in front of you, constantly in the live markets when trading room is open. So please come to the website and view movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute, as we actually finishing up 12 years and getting close to 13-year celebration of building global community of intelligent traders who trading all instruments, all time frames on all platforms. So when you click on view students performance, you see very clearly if these traders all over the world can trade anything they choose on futures, absolutely S&P mini, on Nasdaq, absolutely husband bringing his wife to the course, traders retire trading the system on options, different platform, Thinkorswim, trading on MT4, Forex, anything you choose, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. Choice is yours, what you want to trade. So please listen to podcasts, view students' emails, and choose the option appropriate for you. View students' reviews, private mentoring. I have one spot left. I work with students in New Zealand, in Australia, in New York, in Florida. I work with students all over the world, and when I work with other continents, I mentor you based on New York time. I work with Australian, New Zealand, South African, Japanese students when it's afternoon in New York. But again, you don't have to come to live classes. 80% of our students working full-time, viewing video library of more than 300 live recorded classes. So option 2, most popular option, savings $5,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. If you are signing up during months of September, you will receive additional months to enjoy video library of prior live recorded classes. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298. Thank you, traders, so much.